3 days before NotebookLM made this very big announcement, I made a tweet and I tagged several different Google departments, Google Drive, Google Antigravity, Google NotebookLM, and others about this one very specific idea. I'm not showing you what I wrote until the end of the video because I want you to see what Google did first. And most people are going to think that this is a simple name change, but I think that this is something bigger. And there's one line in Google's own letter that almost destroys my theory, so let's read it and test it. NotebookLM is now Gemini Notebook. It's the same app, has the same features, nothing changed about it. There are a lot of new updates. We're not talking about those yet, but you have to ask yourself, why did Google change the name from NotebookLM, which is a name that everybody knows and loves, to Gemini Notebook? And it's true, they could have did this just to be more consistent, but I think there's another reason why they did it. But let's read Google's blog post and see why they actually did this, because there's a lot more going on around this name change that they don't talk about in this tweet. NotebookLM is now Gemini Notebook. We're renaming NotebookLM to Gemini Notebook. It's the same standalone product, now doing more across the Google ecosystem. And so the question I have to ask is my theory dead? Because it's still the same standalone product, so nothing's changing, right? And that line alone could almost undermine my theory if that was all they said, but there's a lot more they go on to say in this article. Number one, it's now doing more across the Google ecosystem, and it's updated with a secure cloud computer. As we all know a few weeks ago, that NotebookLM, now Gemini Notebook, is now powered by Antigravity and also Gemini 3.5 Flash underneath the hood. So it has a lot more agentic capabilities when it comes to responding, researching, and doing a lot of other things inside of Gemini Notebook. And that specific update with the secure cloud computer allows Gemini Notebook to write and execute code natively, helping you conduct complex data analysis grounded in your sources. But what's probably more important than anything is their take on notebooks. Just like a physical notebook, your digital notebook should go wherever you work. You can already access and create notebooks directly within the Gemini app with full cross-app syncing between the Gemini app and the standalone Gemini Notebook experience. Soon, we'll also bring notebooks directly into AI mode in search. So we can see that Gemini notebooks are expanding their territory in the ecosystem. They're getting stronger, they're getting better, and in my opinion, they've always been better than the actual Gemini app itself. And just before they finish their tweet, they say big things to come. Yes, even folders, which is bravo, we need that. So stay tuned. But what big things are possibly coming other than what NotebookLM already is? Because it's a pretty big deal. And when you begin to look at things, you see that every AI lab is making the same move this summer. ChatGPT combined Codex and ChatGPT into a single app. Claude has already done that, but they've even done more merging by making chat and co-work operate under the same tab, and you choose which one you want to use. And now Google, with everything that they own, Google Drive, Google Antigravity, Gemini Notebook, and the Gemini app, Google Stitch, that can possibly compete with Claude Design, and so many other items that they own or that they're experimenting with inside Google Apps. They're only missing one thing, one roof, one place where they all live, one place where you can access all of these items in a single ecosystem. Now, before I show you what I wrote, you tell me in the comments, do you think that this is just a simple name change for NotebookLM, or do you think that Google is actually getting ready to create their own super app that can rival ChatGPT or the Claude desktop app? But this is what I wrote at 8:44 p.m. July 13th, 2026. Google, have you considered combining NotebookLM and Antigravity in one desktop app? You already have Google Drive and Gemini app. Maybe the web versions stay separate with light bridges to one another, but you could build a very powerful and attractive super app. Now, look at the timestamp on their announcement. I made my post 3 days before this. Now, I'm not saying that they got the idea from me or they did this because I requested it. Far from it. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying though is they're making a move in the right direction, and Gemini, NotebookLM, Google Drive with file syncing across all of your notebooks, as well as Antigravity, have the most potential right now to overtake both the ChatGPT app, as good as it is, and even the Claude desktop app. If you got value out of the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you're on mobile, hype it. And as always, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.